Is your computer feeling slow? Bloated? Like it's 2010 but running Windows 11? Let's fix that. Today I'm going to show you how to make your computer better with Zorin OS, a powerful, sleek, and free alternative to Windows or macOS that almost anyone can install. Zorin OS is a Linux operating system designed to look and feel familiar, especially if you're coming from Windows or macOS. But here's where it wins. It's fast, secure, and respects your privacy. It's built on Ubuntu, meaning you get access to thousands of apps, rock-solid updates, and it just works. Install Windows apps with Wine or use Zorin's software store to find alternatives. Yep, Steam works, so do Proton, Lutris, and more. Play tons of Windows games without Windows. This one's slick. Sync your Android phone, send files, get notifications, even use your phone as a remote. Breathing new life into PCs that are 10, 12, even 15 years old. Great for budget builds, schools, or your grandma's laptop. Want to keep Windows and try Zorin? No prob. Dual boot it. Switch between Windows-ish and Mac-ish UIs with a click. Feels the way you want. Zorin OS Core is completely free. Fast, fully featured, and enough for most users. Zorin OS Pro adds premium layouts, tools, and effects. Great if you want a polished, professional setup. And you're helping fund development. If you're tired of forced updates, telemetry, and mystery background tasks, Zorin OS feels like a breath of fresh air. Want to try it? Just head to Zorin.com to download the Core Edition. You can flash it to USB using Balena Etcher Rufus and try it live. No install needed. Or install it fully for the smoothest, cleanest daily driver experience. Zorin OS isn't just for Linux nerds. It's for anyone who wants their computer to be better without paying for upgrades. So if you're wondering what to do with your old laptop or just want a no-nonsense OS that gets out of your way, give it 1 hour. And I promise you'll love it. Like this video if you enjoy tech that works for you, and subscribe to Computer Minds for more genius-level upgrades without the gimmicks. Drop a comment if you've tried Zorin, or recommend another Linux distro to explore next.